In 1 year, I manifested everything I wrote down. I went from living in my mom's basement on a futon with 2 kids to living a beautiful, luxurious life. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon, and I help teach you manifest any desire. And I'm going to help you get there with affirmations to create your reality. I have a successful mindset. I am an embodiment of success and wealth. I make money in my sleep. I am the best at what I do. I deserve everything I have. I was born to live a luxury life. I receive money just for breathing. I receive money just for being alive. I can afford everything and still buy it 5 times over. Every dollar I spend comes back to me 1,000 times over. Money multiplies in my presence. The luxury life was meant for me. If you want to change your life at the greatest degree, follow me. And if you want to do this work on your own, I guide you through with my self-concept course exactly what to do to manifest your dream life.